What's good, y'all? It's Chopper back with you again with another video. You know we throwing videos back to back. This time, we got the ill surprise for y'all. I think y'all gonna like this a lot. We got a K24 EK hatch. Alright, so here it is. Oh, my man Will. What's up, Will?
Yo.
What's up?
Over here, man.
No, this is YouTube, Poppy. You can't curse.
You put the P.
Yeah, I could, but I ain't that nice editing right now. I'm keep it a bug with you. I'll do a little something. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna show you guys. Try to think about this. Oh, he opening the hood right away. Man, Tim right here. Y'all know him from the last vlog when we picked up this motor. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, so crispy. So what's up, Tim? What we got in here?
Stock K24.
Yeah, the one we picked up.
Yeah, the same one we picked up from the depot.
What else you got in here? Everything else is
Everything
new?
else is stock, new. That's about it.
What's your plans from here on?
I don't know. Maybe an off season go turbo.
Oh, it's talking spicy. You want to join the booster gang? We got a further view here. It's nighttime. We outside late today, so what y'all think? What y'all think about the Civic right here? Look at this clean. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's got a man. Over there gossiping. Y'all see this right here? Look at this right here. Got the Recaros. Got Recaros in here. Spoon wheels. Got the K2 shifter. Got this right here, this bad baby right here. This the highlight right here. Check out how clean this is right here. Guys, see how clean this is? Paint that big. So, I don't know, maybe we jump on the highway and get a few pools right now, so let's see. Got the bikes pulling up, get some gas. But just like that, let's get into this B-roll. Hitting. They got diamonds on the wheels, huh? What's going on? That Tesla trying to keep up, man.
My man right here don't think I won't smoke your boots in a minute.
Sound alright, right?
Nah, it sounds good.
He curved you right there. You heard? You don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that.
Yo, go jump in a minute and do it again.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanted to give you a little quick, a little quick tour of Tim's EK. Came out real nice, and he built it in 2 months, God bless him. I just want to leave y'all with a couple of words, Whatever you put your mind to, always know you could get it done. You see, Tim put his mind to get that build done, and he got it done. Car's running great. I know you're gonna see a few clips, maybe a few high whip pulls, you know, after I edit this video. But like I said, always set goals and execute them, man. Doesn't matter how long. Just be consistent and go after your dreams, man. Do whatever you want to do and follow through. Don't quit. Sometimes you might feel like you want to quit and life gets in the way, but keep striving, keep going after your goals, and continue to be great. That's just what I have to say, you know, to everybody. I never said nothing motivational, you know, in my vlogs. I explained myself a few vlogs ago of where I'm trying to go with this, but I just wanted to give you a few words of motivation. You know, I always, if you follow me on Instagram, I always put motivational quotes whenever I post a picture, or as much as I can, you know, to keep everybody motivated and go after what they want to do. Today was fun, you know. It was a few minutes. We got to see the EK, and I love the way it looks. The bronzed Volks, the Recaros, everything in that car. And my boy Tim, he's pretty much a perfectionist, so he's gonna pretty much perfect whatever flaws there is left on that. Everybody's Instagram will be down in the description below, so you can go and follow me. You can follow Banshee Will. You can follow Tim if you want to see his EK build. So with that being said, like I always tell you, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, hit the bell notifications. I need you guys' help. I need you guys to like the videos and help me out. Let's get chopper racing where it needs to be. So I love y'all, my whole chopper gang. Y'all already know what it is. See y'all in the next one.